Hey everyone, welcome back. This week, Dr. Jen is bringing us the half kneeling cable chop. So, a cable chop, if you're in the gym or if you have a cable machine at home, this is going to be more isotonic. You can see with that cable, you're going to have the weight, whether it's pin setting or plate loading, that's going to be continuous resistance all the way up, all the way down. If you're using a band at home, that's going to be more variable resistance. It's going to be light at the beginning. You might even want to start with a little bit of slack, and then as you pull down, that band is just going to get tighter and tighter and tighter. You'll have to use more force, more strength as you pull that down and put that band into the pocket, as you see Dr. Jen doing here. So you'll also notice that her gaze is following her hands. So eyes on the hands all the way up and all the way down. We want to get maximal spinal rotation as we rotate. Get really, really tall through that hip. So in this case, the right hip. As always, we chop down over the down hip. If she had her knees reversed, if the right knee was up and the left knee was down, she would be chopping right into the top of her right leg. So chop down over the down leg, and then once that right knee is down, once that knee is down and you're loading that grounded leg, make sure that you squeeze those glutes and get as tall as you can. Don't press the hip too far forward. Try and keep that hip really straight, really vertical, and then just give that glute a gentle squeeze to make sure that you keep that hip forward. So we're going to breathe in on the way up. We're going to breathe out on the way down. So long, slow, silent inhale through the nose on the way up, sigh the air out through the mouth on the way down. So you can do, if it's light enough, again, this is more of a motor control exercise because remember the grounded knee, one of the most important parts about this exercise, the grounded knee is also going to be working on hip internal rotation. So as you rotate your shoulders over that grounded knee, you can see how the right hip in this instance is going to gain more internal rotation at the hip. So if you have any questions about that, let us know. We'd love you to reach out and talk this over with us. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you here again soon.